Now, every company is a tech company. On this backdrop, I would like to invite Dr. Deepak Kumar Sahu, President and CEO, Kalinga Digital Media and founder of VAR India. I request him to kindly present his welcome address.
Good afternoon, respected Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Member Niti Aayog, Mr. Sanjay Bahal, Director General, SAT, Government of India, and Mr. Vipin Tyagi, Ex-Executive Director, CDOT, Mr. Sanjay Sahai, IPS, Technology Evangelist, Mr. Rishi Mehta, Technology Expert from Silicon Valley, Mr. Alan Sanchez, CISO, EMEA, and Senior Evangelist, Fortinet, and distinguished speakers, technology evangelists, panelists, and delegates from various industries, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending the 18th edition of Infotech Forum, and it gives me immense pleasure welcoming you all to the virtual forum and an opportunity to talk about accelerating business transformation for our own organizations. First of all, I would like to thank the CIO, CTO, CISO for attending this virtual forum. Digital technologies have advanced more rapidly than any innovation in our history. Today, we are witnessing our flagship event, Annual Infotech Forum, not physically, but yes, we are present here digitally. We have literally reached the digital age in advance. Today's entire session is centered on how to accelerate business transformation. I would say it is a strategic method of getting your organization from where you are now to where you will need to be in the future. When digital transformation is taking place in the enterprises, it is disrupting traditional network and security models, which is a process. I am sure there will be various takeaways from this event. We have many quizzes and fun time during the session to make the session more interactive. I would say entrepreneurship is the best way to advance innovative ideas, but we need those ideas not only to create material value but also to foster social progress. I would say business transformation is an umbrella term for making fundamental changes in business or organization's functionality. It is popularly called PPT, that is People, Process and Technology. These transformations help organizations compete more effectively, become more efficient, and make a wholesale strategic pivot. Organizations undertake business transformations to create additional value. This may mean unlocking the potential of employees, harnessing intellectual property and proprietary technology for additional purposes, or becoming more efficient to maximize the company's potential. Speaking on today's topic, digital transformation becomes imperative for all business, whether small, medium, or large. However, change is the only thing that is constant. Enterprises should be able to deliver customized applications at the speed of ideas. According to our survey from 300 CIOs in India, about 85% of organizations said the organization is already undergoing digital transformation. Having said that, the most important thing is engaging the customers anytime, anywhere with smarter experiences. A survey reveals that 84% of customers feels that the experience the company provides is as important as its products or services. To exceed rising customer expectations, you need to deliver a more unified experience. Secondly, India is amongst the fastest growing fintech markets in the world and ranked the highest globally in the fintech adoption rate with China. Digital payments value of $65 billion in 2019 is expected to grow at a CAGR of 20% by 2023. The digital payment space in particular is witnessing remarkable innovations such as the emergence of alternative payment channels, setting up of payment hubs, and tokenization of securing payments. Before concluding my presentation, I would like to ask a question to the audience whether banks drive the innovation or innovation drives the bank. Please ponder over it. Thank you very much and be a part to all the wonderful sessions ahead.